I came from the family business background. I grew up in a dry cleaning business. And before I came to OsteoStrong, long before, I led a lifestyle that was not healthy at all. I did not take care of myself, and I started developing some issues because of that. So I started on this journey of changing the way I live, changing my lifestyle about 8 years ago, and it's been a progression. I decided I didn't want to stay in the dry cleaning business, that my passion was for health and wellness, and I wanted to lean more towards the physical therapy realm and helping people in that manner. And then when I heard about OsteoStrong, as I was starting to go to school and towards my physical therapist aid certificate, I heard about OsteoStrong. I actually knew Angela from the dry cleaning business that I grew up in. And when she came in, she told me about the business she was opening. Fast forward months later, when I started putting my resume out there to try to break into the health and wellness field, the job for OsteoStrong popped up for a session coach. And when I learned about what OsteoStrong was, when I came for the interview, it was not just physical therapy, it was more on the prevention side. And I thought, well, that's brilliant, and that's what I want to be a part of, helping people before the injury. And then when I came here, I saw that not only did it help people prevent injury, but people that have already been injured and been through physical therapy and been through surgeries actually start to get better from that point as well. So it completely blew me away.